Cooper's hawk, sharp-shinned hawk, red-winged blackbird, great blue heron, cedar waxwing, Canada goose, my town, northern cardinal, American goldfinch, turkey vulture, chimney swift, common nighthawk, rock dove, my mother's tongue, blue jay, chestnut-sided warbler, yellow warbler, merlin, peregrine falcon, American kestrel, my grandmother's tower, common yellowthroat, dark-eyed junco, ringed-billed gull, song sparrow, black and white warbler, Tennessee warbler, my great-grandmother's tongue, house sparrow, downy woodpecker, hairy woodpecker, black cat chickadee, American redstart, blackpoll warbler, my great-great-grandmother's tongue, white-breasted nuthatch, chipping sparrow, European starling, American robin, mourning dove, my great-great-great-grandmother's tongue, Accipiter cooperi, Accipiter striatus, Agelaius violaceus, Ardea herodias, Bombacilla sodorium, Branta canadensis, my sister's tongue, Cardinalis cardinalis, Cardulius tristis, Cathartes ora, Chaetura pelagica, Cordelis minor, Columbia livia, my niece's tongue, Cyanacita cristata, Dendroica pennsylvanica, Dendroica petrochia, Falco columbianus, Falco peregrinus, Falco sperverius, my grandmother's tongue, these colonial names, Geophilopus trechus, Junco hymelius, Laris delawarenesis, Melaspisa melodia, Mimulota varia, Oreophilopus peregrina, my aunts, my aunts, my aunts, my auntie's tongue, Pastor domesticus, Picoides pubescens, Picoides villoneus, Corsul atricapillus, Cetophaga gratuissima, Cetophaga striatum, my great-great-great-great-grandmother's tongue, Sita carolinasis, Spizella passerina, Sturnus vulgaris, Migratorius, Zaneta Mercurio, my great, 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 great,